Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add an alert message to our site using the Elementor page builder. First, we need to go over to the left bar where it says pages, and then we are going to click on all the pages. And now we are going to select the page we want to use to add the alert. In this case, we are going to use the home page, and then we are going to click on Edit with Elementor. And now we are going to scroll down until we found a free section like this one, and we are going to type on the widget search bar, we are going to type alert, and then we are going to click, hold down and drag and drop on the new section. Here we are. Now we have the type of alert we want it to be from: information, success, warning, or danger. In this case we are going to use a success alert, and in the title we are going to type successful alert, and on the description we are going to type success, and we can show or hide the dismiss button for the alert. We are going to leave it on, and now we can change the alert in the way we want. We are going to leave it that background. I like it, so we're going to make it the border a bit more darker, and we can add width to the left border. We are going to make that a little bit white, maybe 25 pixels, and we can also configure the title. We are going to change the text color to black, and we can also change the typography. We are going to leave it as a default, so we will use the typography of the theme, and we are going to make it a little bit more bigger, maybe 50 pixels. And we can add 500 weights, and we are going to do it default, and maybe less curve, and I think curve looks good. And we are going to add another line. We can select the line height, and maybe 3 looks good, and the spacing between the letters we're going to use a 3 for that too. So for the description we are going to leave it on a more vivid green, little bit bigger, not too much, 20 maybe. We are going to use the default family of the theme, and we are going to add 400 of weight, uppercase, and a normal style, and no underline in this case. So we are going to add a 3 of line height and a 3 of letter spacing also. So on the advanced option is the usual: margin padding, set index, motion effects, background. We can add some border to the box if we want. So once we have our alerts message configured, we are going to save those changes by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So that's it. We have added an alert message to our site using the Elementor page builder in an easy, quick manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Palatech.